Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the basic statistics. Basic statistics is very important in data analysis process. Where we use the basic statistics in data analysis. So in data analysis, the phases are like business case understanding, data understanding, and then data pre-processing. So data pre-processing is very important for the data analysis. Why it is important? So pre-processing means what is the data? That means the first phase or first step of data analysis. What is happened? The answer is in your data. The question is what is happened? The answer is in your data. So how we can get that answer? With the help of basic statistics, we can get that answer. So basic statistics contains univariate analysis. So what is univariate analysis? So in data analysis, there is a process of EDA, means exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis is the important phase in data analysis. So what we can do in exploratory data analysis, so there we can perform some basic statistics operations first. Okay. So what are the basic statistics operations? So in that, the first is summary statistics. So first is summary statistics. So in EDA, we can discuss two main important phases. First one is univariate analysis, and second one is bivariate analysis. So we discuss univariate analysis. So in univariate analysis, first step is summary statistic. What is summary statistics? Okay. So consider you have billions of rows in your data. Okay. So we can't check one by one all the rows, all the values. Okay. Then how we can represent this data in summarized format? So there are two processes. First one is univariate analysis, and in that we can check single feature for analysis. So feature means your column or the input variables like that. So we perform basic statistics on single variable. Okay. So in that, so in summary statistics, what are the different values we can calculate? So first, there is we can perform main operation. We can perform main operation is nothing but average. So average is a single value about whole your records. So if you have a sales column and you have 1,000 of entries in that, then we represent our sale with the help of main. So it's a summarized value or a single value about your data. Second one, we can also represent our data with the help of median. Median is also nothing but the center value of your data. Okay. But for the median, there are some rules to calculate the median. Okay. So we will see how we can calculate the median with the help of Excel. Okay. And third one is nothing but the mode operation. Okay. So these are the basic summary statistics operation, and all are nothing but related to centers of your data. That's why we can call all these values as central tendencies. We can call as central tendencies. All these values represent your data with the help of the center of that data. Mean means average is nothing but the center of your data. Median is nothing but the center of your data. Mode is not exact the center. Mode is the how many number of times there the values are repeated. Simple is the frequency of the each and every value. And if we calculate the mode, then we will get the highest frequency value. The value which repeated multiple times and the count is maximum is nothing but the mode. Okay. So these are the univariate analysis process, and in that first phase is summary statistics, and in summary statistics we see the central tendencies. These are the basic center values of your data. Okay, so with the help of Excel and one data set, we check how we can calculate these central tendency values. So we work on Excel. So there is one Excel sheet or spreadsheet is represent the salesperson data. There are different columns in that. First column is salesperson, the name of the salesperson. Geography, there is a country names, then product names, then amount, how much sale is done, and the last one is unit. Okay. So if I want to represent my all data with the help of single value, then I will check the central tendency values. So central tendency values are mean, median, and mode. So we can check how we can calculate the mean value with the help of Excel. To calculate mean value in Excel, we use average function of Excel. So how we will get average function? So put equal to in your cell and type AV. If you type starting initial alphabets of any function, then in Excel sheet, you will get the suggestions of that functions. So here is the average function. Okay. When you select the average function, the next suggestion is what this function wants. The function wants numbers, number 1, comma, number 2, number 3, multiple numbers. So we can select our all values with the help of selection process. You can use your shortcut key as well to select all rows from your data. I select like that at first time to check my all data. I selected all data and then this data is present here with the help of table name and column name. Okay. Then complete the parenthesis and hit enter. You will get your average value. You will get your average value. This value says that the overall sale is around averagely 4136.23. Then we can directly calculate now median value. So you know how we can provide the data to function. So put equal to, then type ME, then you will get the suggestion of median function and double click on that. Then median function also wants the numbers, then pass the number with the help of table, type table. Then you will get the suggestion of your table name. Then click and square. Then you will get the suggestions for your column names. So I will put the amount. Complete the brackets and hit enter. Then you will get your median value. These are the values which shows the center of your data. So next, we will calculate the mode value. So mode value is basically used for the categorical data, but there is no any rule we can use only for the category. You can use mode for any data. So mode represent the highest frequency data point. So we will take the mode for amount to check where the any amount is repeated or not. I want to check the which amount is repeated or is there no repetition in the amount. So equal to mode will get the mode function, then pass the data with the help of table and column values. Now you will get your mode value if there is repetition in your. So there is a one value 3339 is repeated in your data. This is the mode. These are the basic summary statistics values we can call as central tendencies. And these values are very, very important in your data analysis process to check where data center points are. For today, we will stop here. And for next time, we will start from these values to next point as your variability. Thanks all. Thank you so much.